Good morning, student. Today we are going to discuss about the another chapter S block elements. In previous class we discussed about the general characters of the first A group elements and sodium compounds, anomalous properties of lithium. But today we are going to discuss about the preparation of the sodium hydroxide, that is the sodium compound. S block elements, chemistry first year, English medium. Preparation of sodium hydroxide. Preparation of sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide general formula NaOH. Sodium hydroxide, NaOH also known as a sodium hydroxide. It is also called as a caustic soda. Caustic soda. Sodium hydroxide solution also known as a caustic soda. Here is the NaOH also known as a sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide is prepared by the Kastner-Kellner method. Which process is prepared in the sodium hydroxide? Kastner-Kellner method. Sodium hydroxide is prepared by the Kastner-Kellner method. Which process? Kastner-Kellner method. Sodium hydroxide is prepared by the Kastner-Kellner method. Here is the first one, preparation of the sodium hydroxide with the Kastner-Kellner method. Which process is prepared by the sodium hydroxide? Kastner-Kellner method. Kastner-Kellner method is the commercial method. It is also known as a commercial method which is used for the preparation of sodium hydroxide. Kastner-Kellner method also called as a commercial method. It is also known as a Kastner-Kellner method is the commercial method which is used for the preparation of the sodium hydroxide, NaOH. Sodium hydroxide also called as a caustic soda. Next one, sodium hydroxide is prepared by the electrolysis or electrolytic process of brine solution. Here is the caustic soda or sodium hydroxide is prepared by the electrolysis process or electrolytic method with the brine solution. Sodium chloride solution also known as a brine solution. It is the sodium hydroxide is prepared by the electrolysis of brine solution. Electrolysis of brine solution. Here is the brine solution is passing through the electrolytes. That is also known as a sodium hydroxide is prepared from the electrolytic method. That is also known as a brine solution. That is the brine solution is passing through the electrolytes. Brine solution is passing through the electrolytes. Then the brine solution is electrolyzed with the mercury. Here is the Hg also known as a mercury. Mercury act as a cathode and carbon act as a anode. Here is the sodium hydroxide is prepared by the electrolysis process, prepared from the brine solution. Here is the brine solution is passing through the electrolytes. In this electrolytes, mercury act as a cathode. Hg also known as a mercury. Mercury act as a cathode and carbon act as a anode. In this electrolytes process, brine solution is electrolyzed with the mercury. Brine solution is electrolyzed with the mercury and mercury act as a cathode and carbon act as a anode. Next one, in this process, sodium plus ion formed with the cation. Sodium plus cation. Sodium cation is formed with the cation when it is react with the mercury Hg to form of sodium amalgam. That is also known as a Na2Hg. Na2Hg also known as a sodium amalgam. Here is the sodium Na plus ion react with the mercury. That is the mercury act as a cathode. In this cathode, mercury react with the sodium solution, then form of sodium amalgam. Sodium amalgam react with the water or sodium amalgam undergo hydrolysis process to form of sodium hydroxide. That is the Kastner-Kellner method. In this Kastner-Kellner method, cell reaction or mercury cathode. Here is the sodium chloride, that is also known as a brine solution. Brine solution is electrolyzed or brine solution is passing through the electrolytes. It is ionizable and forming with the two ions, that is the Na plus ion. Next one is the 2Cl minus ion. Next one at cathode, here is the Brine solution is passing through the electrolytes. In this electrolytes, mercury act as a cathode and carbon act as a anode. At cathode, the brine solution is ionizable. Then Na plus ion is passing through the cathode. Cathode act as a mercury. The Na plus ion reactor combining with the mercury or cathode to form of a sodium amalgam at cathode. Remaining at anode, Cl minus ion. Cl minus ion gives rise to Cl2 plus 2 electron. Chlorine forming with at anode. Next remaining sodium amalgam Na2Hg or sodium amalgam soluble in water molecule or hydrolysis process to form of sodium hydroxide and mercury and hydrogen gas is released. That is the electrolytic process or Castner-Kellner method of the cell reactions. That is the preparation of sodium hydroxide. Once again, sodium hydroxide is also called as a caustic soda. Sodium hydroxide general formula NaOH. Sodium hydroxide general formula NaOH. It is also known as a caustic soda. Next one, sodium hydroxide is prepared by the Castner-Kellner method. Which process is prepared by the sodium hydroxide? Castner-Kellner method. Sodium hydroxide is prepared by the Castner-Kellner method. That is the Castner-Kellner method. In this method, Castner-Kellner method is also known as a commercial method. Castner-Kellner method is the commercial method which is used for the preparation of the sodium hydroxide. Next one, sodium hydroxide is prepared from electrolytic process or electrolysis process from the brine solution. Brine solution also called as a rock salt or common salt solution. Sodium chloride solution also known as a brine solution. So here is the sodium hydroxide is prepared from the electrolytes process from the brine solution, that is the NaCl solution. The brine solution is electrolyzed with the mercury. In electrolysis process, mercury act as a cathode and carbon act as a anode. In this Castner-Kellner method, Na plus ion is formed with the cation when react with the mercury at cathode to form of sodium amalgam Na2Hg. Then sodium amalgam undergo hydrolysis process or soluble in water molecule to form of a sodium hydroxide. That is the cell reaction. In this cell reaction, brine solution is passing through the electrolytes or electrolysis process. In this electrolysis process, mercury act as a cathode and carbon act as a anode. Next one, sodium hydroxide is passing through the electrolytes. Then here is sodium amalgam or sodium hydroxide is passing through the electrolysis process of brine solution. In this brine solution with the electrolyzed mercury act as cathode. Then mercury combining with the Na plus ion to form of a sodium amalgam. 2Na sodium. Here is also known as a brine solution is passing through the electrolytes. Then Na plus ion is formed at cathode. Na plus ion combining with the mercury act as a cathode to form of a sodium amalgam. Next one, at anode, Cl minus ion gives rise to chlorine gas is released. That at anode. Then sodium amalgam is passing through the water or dissolved in water or hydrolysis process to form of sodium hydroxide. That is the Castner-Kellner method. In this Castner-Kellner method, preparation of the sodium hydroxide by the cell reactions. Next, another one, uses of sodium hydroxide or caustic soda. Sodium hydroxide or caustic soda used the manufacture of the soap, paper, cotton and rayon. Here is the sodium hydroxide is used for the manufacture of the soap and papers and cotton. Next one, rayon. Next one, caustic soda or sodium hydroxide used for the refining of the petroleum. Next one, sodium hydroxide also used for the textile industry, used in the textile industry to the mirrorizing or mirrorizing the cotton. Mirrorizing the cotton, sodium hydroxide or caustic soda used in the textile industry to mirrorizing the cotton. Next one, sodium hydroxide used for the purification of bauxite. Caustic soda also used for the purification of the bauxites. Next one, it is also used as a reagent in the laboratory. Next one, it acts as a strong base in the laboratory. That is the uses of sodium hydroxide or caustic soda. Once again, sodium hydroxide also used for the manufacture of the soap, paper, rayon and cotton. Next one, sodium hydroxide used for the refining of the petroleum. Next one, it is used for the purification of the bauxites. Next one, sodium hydroxide caustic soda used in the textile industry, mirrorizing cottons. Next one, sodium hydroxide used as a reagent in the laboratory. It has a strong base. That is the uses of the sodium hydroxide or caustic soda. NaOH also known as a caustic soda. It is prepared by the Kastner-Kellner method. In this cell reactions or electrolysis process of the brain solution. Next, remaining preparation of the sodium carbonate. Preparation of sodium carbonate. Na2CO3 also known as a sodium carbonate. It is also called as a washing soda. It is also called as a washing soda. Sodium carbonate is also called as a washing soda. Sodium carbonate or washing soda general formula Na2CO3 dot 10H2O. Decahydrated sodium carbonate is called washing soda. That also known as a preparation of sodium carbonate. Next, another one, preparation of sodium carbonate. Preparation of sodium carbonate. Sodium carbonate general formula Na2CO3. Sodium carbonate formula general formula Na2CO3. Sodium hydroxide also NaOH, but here is the Na2CO3. Sodium carbonate preparation of the sodium carbonate. It is also called as a washing soda. Sodium carbonate is also called as a washing soda. Next one, sodium carbonate is prepared from the Solvay process. Sodium carbonate is prepared by the or prepared from the Solvay process. Which process? Solvay process. Solvay process is used for the preparation of the sodium carbonate, or sodium carbonate is prepared from the Solvay process. In this Solvay process, when carbon dioxide CO2, carbon dioxide is passing through the saturated brine solution of ammonia. Saturated brine solution of ammonia, then ammonium bicarbonate is formed. Ammonium bicarbonate is formed. Here in this Solvay process, when CO2, carbon dioxide, CO2 also known as a carbon dioxide, when carbon dioxide passing through the saturated brine of ammonia solution, saturated brine of ammonia solution. Here is the ammonia solution is saturated by the brine solution. So it is also called as a saturated brine of ammonia. Then form of ammonium bicarbonate is obtained. NH4 taken to CO3. Ammonium carbonate is formed. Here is the in this Solvay process, when carbon dioxide is passing through the saturated brine of ammonia, that is also known as a 2 moles of ammonia, saturated brine of ammonia react with the carbon dioxide solution, then form of ammonium carbonate. That is the Solvay process first step. When carbon dioxide is passing through the saturated brine of ammonia, saturated brine of ammonia, then ammonium carbonate is formed. That is the first step. Next one, ammonium carbonate. Ammonium carbonate. Here is also known as the NH4 taken to CO3, also forming with the sodium carbonate, ammonium bicarbonate. Next, here is the when CO2, carbon dioxide passing through the saturated brine of ammonia solution, then form of ammonium carbonate. Next, another one, ammonium carbonate reactor combining with the carbon dioxide in the presence of water, then form of ammonium bicarbonate NH4HCO3. Already in first step, CO2 passing through the saturated brine of ammonia, then form of ammonium carbonate is formed in the first reaction. In the second process, ammonium carbonate combining with the carbon dioxide in the presence of water, then form of ammonium bicarbonate is formed NH4HCO3. That is also known as a ammonium bicarbonate is formed. Next one, in third step, ammonium bicarbonate treated with the brine solution, that is also known as a NaCl. NH4HCO3 also known as the ammonium bicarbonate treated with the brine solution NaCl or common salt or brine solution to form of sodium bicarbonate is obtained, remaining ammonium chloride formed. In this process, in third process, ammonium bicarbonate treated with the brine solution, sodium chloride solution also known as a brine solution to form of sodium bicarbonate and ammonium chloride is formed. Next one, sodium bicarbonate heated with the high temperature, then form of sodium carbonate, then form of sodium carbonate and CO2 and H2O. That is the preparation of the sodium carbonate. Once again, sodium carbonate is prepared from the Solvay process. Na2CO3 also known as a sodium carbonate. It is also called as a washing soda. Washing soda general formula Na2CO3.10H2O. Decahydrated sodium carbonate is also called as a washing soda. Next one, sodium carbonate is prepared by the Solvay process. In this Solvay process consists the 4 steps. When first step, when carbon dioxide passing through the saturated brine of ammonia solution, then form of ammonium carbonate. Saturated brine of ammonia, then passing through the carbon dioxide solution, then form of ammonium carbonate is obtained. That is the first step. When carbon dioxide is passing through the saturated brine of ammonia solution, then form of ammonium carbonate. In this first step, ammonium carbonate is formed. When ammonium carbonate combining with the carbon dioxide in the presence of water, then form of ammonium bicarbonate is obtained in the second step. Ammonium bicarbonate is obtained in second step. Next one, in third process, ammonium bicarbonate treated with the brine solution, sodium chloride solution also known as a brine solution, to combining each other, then form of sodium bicarbonate is obtained and another one ammonium chloride formed. That the third reaction. Next one, sodium bicarbonate heated with the high temperature, then form of anhydrous sodium carbonate is obtained. That is also known as a sodium carbonate and CO2 and H2O is formed. That is the Solvay process existed these reactions. Next, another one, properties of the sodium carbonate. Properties of sodium carbonate. Sodium carbonate is colorless crystalline solid. Here is the sodium carbonate is the colorless crystalline solid. That is also known as a colorless crystalline solid and existed decahydrated molecule. It is also known as a deca Na2CO3.10H2O. It is also known as a decahydrated sodium carbonate Na2CO3.10H2O water molecule. The sodium carbonate existed 10 moles of water molecule. It is also known as a decahydrated sodium carbonate. Decahydrated sodium carbonate general formula Na2CO3.10H2O. Next one, it is easily soluble in water. It is easily soluble in water. Next one, decahydrated sodium carbonate heated with 373 kelvins, then form of monohydrated sodium carbonate is formed. Mono means that the single, only one molecule, 1 mole of water molecule of sodium carbonate. That is also known as a monohydrated sodium carbonate is formed. Here is the decahydrated sodium carbonate heated with 373 kelvins, then form of monohydrated sodium carbonate is formed. That is the properties of sodium carbonate. Next one, monohydrated sodium carbonate heated with above 373 kelvins. Here is the monohydrated sodium carbonate heated with above 373 kelvins. Above 373 kelvins, then the loss of water molecule. 1 mole of the water molecule. Here the sodium carbonate heated with high temperature, then form of sodium carbonate. Anhydrous compound. Here is the loss of water molecule. 1 mole of water molecule is lost because of monohydrated sodium carbonate heated with the above 373 kelvins, then loss of water molecule to form of a anhydrous sodium carbonate is obtained. Anhydrous sodium carbonate is obtained. Next, another one, uses of sodium carbonate. Uses of sodium carbonate. Sodium carbonate used for the manufacture of the glass. Sodium carbonate also used for the manufacture of the glass. Next one, soap, bauxite. Next one, caustic soda. Sodium carbonate also used for the manufacture of the glass. Next one, soap. Next one, papers. Next another one, caustic soda. It is used for the manufacture or preparation of the glass, paper. Next one, cotton. Next one, caustic soda. That is the uses of sodium carbonate. Next one, sodium carbonate used in the paints, textile industry. Sodium carbonate also used for the paints in textile industry. Next one, textile industry. Next another one, sodium carbonate also used for the softening or suffocating or softening or cleaning of the laundries. Sodium carbonate also used cleaning of the laundries or suffocating or cleaning of the laundries. Next one, it is also used in the laboratory as a reagent. Next one, both qualitative and quantitative analysis. That is the uses of sodium carbonate. Once again, sodium carbonate is used for the manufacture of the glass, soap. Next one, textile industries. Next one, preparation of the caustic soda. Next another one, sodium carbonate is used in the paints in the textile industry. Next another one, sodium carbonate used for the suffocating and cleaning of the laundries. Next another one, sodium carbonate used for the cleaning of the cloths. Next one, sodium carbonate also used for the purification of the bauxites and refining of the petroleum. Next another one, it is used as a reagent in the laboratory. That is the uses of the sodium carbonate. Next one, preparation of the sodium carbonate. Next one, preparation of the caustic soda in these classes.